Welcome to the rise of the digital workspace. Online jobs are tasks you do over the internet. They offer freedom and flexibility. Say goodbye to commuting or rigid office hours. You can work from anywhere, anytime. The digital workspace is booming. More and more people are choosing online jobs for better work-life balance and global opportunities. This shift is fundamentally changing how we think about work. Now let's explore your gateway to online opportunity. There are many platforms connecting job seekers with employers. Upwork and Fiverr are popular for freelancing. LinkedIn is great for professional networking. Each platform has its own strengths. Upwork focuses on larger projects and skilled professionals. Fiverr is perfect for quick tasks and creative services. LinkedIn helps you build your professional brand and connect with potential employers. Understanding each platform's focus helps you find the right fit for your skills and career goals. Let's decode the online job landscape. Online jobs come in all shapes and sizes. Writing, editing, and graphic design are popular choices. Web development and software engineering are in high demand. Virtual assistants and customer service representatives are essential for businesses. Each job requires specific skills. Writers need strong language skills. Programmers need coding expertise. Designers need visual creativity. Knowing the skills needed for each job helps you focus your efforts and build your expertise. Section 4: Essential skills for online success. Technical skills are essential for online jobs, but let's not forget, soft skills are equally important. Communication, time management, and self-motivation are crucial. Effective communication builds strong client relationships. Time management ensures projects are completed on time. Self-motivation keeps you going even when working independently. Mastering these skills sets you apart from the competition and makes you a sought-after online professional. Section 5: Thriving in the digital workspace tips and tricks. Treat your online job like a real business. Set clear goals. Create a dedicated workspace. Manage your time wisely. These habits promote professionalism and productivity. Building a strong online presence is key. Create a professional portfolio showcasing your skills. Network with other professionals in your field. By taking these steps, you establish yourself as a reliable and skilled online professional, attracting more clients and opportunities. Section 6: Navigating the challenges of online work. Working online can be isolating. Make an effort to connect with other professionals. Join online communities. Attend virtual events. Staying motivated can be tough. Set realistic goals. Reward yourself for achievements. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Remember, online work requires discipline and self-care. By addressing these challenges, you can create a sustainable and fulfilling online career. Section 7: Embrace the future, online jobs and you. Online jobs are changing the future of work. Embrace the flexibility, freedom, and global opportunities they offer. The digital workspace is constantly evolving. Stay curious, learn new skills, adapt to new technologies. By embracing the online world, you unlock a world of possibilities and take control of your professional destiny.